In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-step verification in Yahoo Mail. Two-step verification, sometimes called 2SV, adds an extra layer of protection to your account by requiring something you know, your password, and something you have, like your phone or a security key. It's one of the simplest and most effective ways to secure your email. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Yahoo Mail. Click the official result to go to the Yahoo Mail website. A quick tip: verify the address bar shows a secure Yahoo domain before signing in, just to be safe. Next, sign into your account. Enter your credentials as you normally would. If you manage multiple accounts, make sure you're in the one you want to protect. It's also helpful to ensure you can access whatever device you plan to use for verification before moving on. Once you're in the new Yahoo Mail view, look to the top corner of the page. Click your profile icon, this might be your initials or a photo, and select Account Info from the menu. From there, navigate to the Security section. You may be asked to confirm your identity again before changing security settings, which is normal. In the Security area, find the option for two-step verification and turn it on. Enabling this tells Yahoo to require a second check whenever you sign in, keeping intruders out even if they somehow learn your password. Now choose your verification method. You can use push notifications, where you approve a sign-in from the Yahoo app, a phone number, where you receive a text message or call with a code, an Authenticator app, which generates time-based codes even if you're offline, or a physical security key that you tap or insert. Push is convenient if you use the Yahoo app regularly. A phone number is simple, but depends on your mobile service. Authenticator apps are highly secure and work without a signal. Security keys offer strong, hardware-based protection if you have one handy. Click the option you prefer and follow the prompts on screen. For a phone number, you'll enter the number and confirm a code sent to it. For an Authenticator app, you'll typically scan a QR code and enter a code from the app. For a security key, you'll plug it in or tap it when asked. For push notifications, approve the prompt in the app. That's it. Two-step verification is now enabled. The next time you sign in, you'll confirm your identity using the method you chose. Keep your verification device nearby and enjoy the added peace of mind.